In Japan, a calm home is often created through simple, daily habits that reduce visual distractions, encourage order, and make everyday living feel more peaceful. Rather than relying on constant cleaning, many Japanese households focus on preventing clutter and maintaining balance through small routines. These habits are designed to make the home feel lighter, more functional, and easier to enjoy throughout the day. Many of these practices are surprisingly simple, yet they have a powerful effect on how a space looks, feels, and functions. Over time, these habits help create an environment that feels calm not only to the eyes, but also to the mind. Many people are surprised to discover that a calmer home often comes from changing daily habits, rather than buying more storage or furniture. In this video, we'll explore 7 Japanese habits that can help make your home feel cleaner, calmer, and more comfortable every single day. In many Japanese-inspired homes, one of the key habits that creates a calm atmosphere is keeping visual clutter to an absolute minimum. This means avoiding too many visible objects on surfaces like tables, counters, and open shelves. When fewer objects are in sight, the brain naturally feels less overloaded and more at ease. This is why Japanese-inspired spaces often feel quiet and mentally refreshing even without many decorations. Instead of filling every surface, space is intentionally left open to create a sense of breathing room. This open space helps reduce stress because there are fewer visual distractions competing for attention. Even small reductions in visible items can make a noticeable difference in how calm a room feels. Over time, this habit creates a home environment that feels consistently light, balanced, and peaceful. Japanese-inspired homes often follow a simple and intentional design approach, where every element in the space has a clear purpose. Instead of filling rooms with unnecessary furniture, the focus is on keeping only what is truly needed for daily living. This creates a more open layout that allows movement to feel easier and the environment to feel less visually heavy. Simple design also helps reduce mental strain because there are fewer competing visual elements in the environment. Every object is placed with intention, meaning it is chosen not just for appearance, but also for function. This thoughtful approach helps maintain a calm and balanced feeling throughout the entire home. Even small design choices, like spacing and placement, can strongly influence how peaceful a space feels. Over time, this intentional design style naturally supports a quieter and more calming home environment. A very important habit in Japanese homes is the idea of keeping the entryway, often called the genkin, as a clear separation between the outside world and the calm interior of the home. In this space, shoes are removed immediately upon entering, which helps prevent outside dirt and mental noise from entering the living areas. This simple habit creates a strong mental transition, signaling that the home is a clean, calm, and separate environment from the outside world. The genkin is often kept very organized, with dedicated spots for shoes, umbrellas, and other outdoor items, so nothing is left scattered around the entrance. By keeping the entryway clean and structured, the feeling of calm begins the moment someone steps inside the home. This small separation between outside and inside plays a big role in maintaining a peaceful home atmosphere. Even though it is a simple routine, it helps reset the mindset every time you enter the home. Over time, this habit reinforces a strong sense of order and calmness that carries throughout the entire home. In Japanese-inspired homes, natural light is considered an essential part of creating a calm atmosphere because it makes the space feel more open, alive, and connected to the outside environment. Rooms are often designed to allow sunlight to travel freely inside, reducing the need for harsh artificial lighting during the day. Open space flow is also important, meaning furniture is arranged in a way that allows easy movement and uninterrupted sight lines across the room. This combination of light and space creates a feeling of breathing room where the home does not feel heavy or visually crowded. Even small changes in window placement or furniture arrangement can significantly affect how calm and open a space feels. Japanese homes often prioritize simplicity in layout so that light is not blocked and every area feels naturally connected. This design approach helps reduce stress and makes even small homes feel more spacious and comfortable. Over time, living with natural light and open flow can significantly improve how peaceful a home feels every day. In many Japanese-inspired homes, storage is not just about keeping things organized, but also about keeping everyday items out of sight to maintain a calm and visually clean environment. Instead of leaving items on open surfaces, most objects are placed inside drawers, cabinets, or closed storage spaces. This helps reduce visual noise, making the room feel more peaceful because there are fewer distractions in sight. Even commonly used items are often designed to have a dedicated hidden storage spot, so everything feels intentional and orderly. This habit allows the home to look clean at all times, even during normal daily use. Because storage is consistent and intentional, maintaining order becomes much easier in daily life. This approach also prevents clutter from building up on visible surfaces over time. Over time, hidden storage becomes a key reason why Japanese-inspired homes feel consistently calm and visually balanced. In many Japanese households, daily routines are approached with a sense of mindfulness, where ordinary tasks are done calmly and with full attention rather than in a rushed or chaotic way. Simple activities like making tea, arranging a room, or cleaning a surface are often treated as opportunities to create a more peaceful environment. By slowing down and focusing on one task at a time, it becomes easier to maintain a sense of order throughout the home. This habit helps reduce the feeling of constant urgency that can make a home environment feel stressful or overwhelming. Many Japanese routines emphasize consistency rather than speed, focusing on maintaining balance through small daily actions. When routines are performed mindfully, even simple chores can contribute to a greater feeling of calm and control within the home. Over time, these quiet routines help create a home atmosphere that feels more stable, predictable, and relaxing. Rather than relying on major changes, it is often these small, mindful habits that help make a home feel calm every single day. One habit that helps many Japanese homes maintain a calm and peaceful atmosphere is doing a small reset at the end of each day, allowing the home to feel settled before everyone goes to sleep. Rather than leaving small tasks for tomorrow, items are returned to their proper places and shared spaces are gently restored to a neat and balanced condition. This daily reset helps prevent visual clutter from accumulating over time and allows the home to start each new morning feeling fresh, organized, and welcoming. The goal is not to create a perfect-looking home, but to create an environment where everything feels settled, comfortable, and ready for the next day. This simple evening routine can also make the mind feel calmer because there are fewer unfinished tasks and fewer visual distractions competing for attention. By ending the day with a small reset, the home becomes a place that supports rest and recovery rather than constantly reminding you of things left undone. Over time, this habit helps maintain a lasting sense of calm throughout the home, making the space feel more balanced, welcoming, and relaxing every single day. These Japanese habits are not really about creating a perfect home, but about creating an environment that feels peaceful, balanced, and comfortable to live in every day. Many of these practices are surprisingly simple, yet they help reduce visual distractions and make the home feel lighter and more relaxing. Over time, small daily habits like these can have a powerful effect on both the appearance of a home and the way it feels emotionally. By focusing on simplicity, mindfulness, and intentional living, you can create a home that feels calmer, more welcoming, and easier to enjoy every single day.